Today we have a sample problem on derivatives and inflection point. This question was in Thanawya 2021. Okay, we will underline the things that we need. They say that we have two functions f and g are both polynomial, and f of x is equal to cx over 2 plus g of x, and g of 1 is equal to k, and the second derivative of g at 1 is equal to 6. C and k are constants, and he says that the curve f has an inflection point on these points 1 and 5. He need to know what is x minus c. Okay, we have here two unknowns, x and c, so we need two equations. Pretty simple. Then he says that we have inflection point at 1 and 5. This means that the curve f of x equal 5 and x equal 1. Okay, because it's 1 and 5, x and y. So we can substitute in the first equation f of x equal cx over 2 plus g of x. We can substitute here with 5, and c multiply 1 by 2, we will substitute with x equal 1, so this will be equal to c plus g of x at 1. G of x at 1 is equal to k, as he said previously here, so we have the first equation 5 equals c plus k. Okay, then we have an inflection point, so the second derivative on these points must be equal to 0. So we will get the second derivative now. This is the function. Second derivative will be equal to 2cx plus g, derivative of gx. Then the second derivative will be f of x equal to 2c plus second derivative of x. Okay, pretty easy now. We have an inflection point, so the second derivative must be equal 0 at x equal 1, because he said that we have an inflection point at x equal 1. So now we can substitute here with 0 equal to 2c plus the second derivative of g at x equal 1 is 6, as he said previously. So we have here the second equation. We can simplify it. The 6 in the second side will be negative 6 equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to negative 3. Okay, so we have got that c is equal to negative 3 is the second equation. So we will substitute in the first. So we will have 5 equal negative 3 plus k. Then negative 3 will go to this side by addition. So we will have 8 equal k. Okay, so here we have 8 equal k and c equal negative 3. So x minus c would be equal to 8 minus negative 3, which is equal to 11.